Good morning, boys and girls. I am here to introduce your new spelling words this week, week 29. Your words this week are homophones. Homophones are words that sound the same but have different spellings and different meanings. So if you look here, this is son, S-O-N, and it's a male child. And this sun is S-U-N, and it's the big shiny star in the sky. They sound the same, but they're spelled different and they mean different things. Before we begin, I just want to go over the parts of speech. The parts of speech are how words are used in a sentence, and you've heard these before. I am not showing you all of the parts of speech. There are some that are not here, but these are the ones that we use most of the time and the ones that you will see today. So first you have a noun. A noun names a person, place, or thing. Noun. The desk is too big for me. Desk is a noun. It names a thing. But you have two kinds of nouns. You have a common noun, which just names any person, place, or thing. So my teacher is having a picnic at the park. Teacher is a noun, but it's just a common noun. Then you have proper nouns. Proper nouns name a particular person, place, or thing. A proper noun begins with a capital letter. Miss Gianetti is a proper noun. It's naming me. And notice, Miss begins with a capital and Gianetti begins with a capital. Proper noun names a particular person, place, or thing. Miss Gianetti is having a picnic at the park. Miss Gianetti is the proper noun. We have pronouns. A pronoun is a word that can take the place of a noun. Jenny rides her horse in the field. She rides her horse in the field. She is the pronoun. Verbs are words that tell what something does, action word, or is. We mostly talk about the action words. The students will write their names at the top of the paper. If you can do it, it's a verb. Adjectives, are words that tell something about the noun. They describe, nouns. My family goes to a beautiful beach in Rhode Island. Beautiful describes beach. Beach is the noun. An adverb is a word that tells something about a word or action. It describes verbs, and they mostly end with ly. The children quietly left the classroom for lunch. Notice the ly. Adverbs describe verbs. All right, and at the end I wrote a sentence just so you can see how all of the parts of the speech are used in a sentence. My teacher, common noun, Miss Gianetti, proper noun, wrote, verb, a beautiful, adjective, story, noun, about how she, pronoun, quietly, adverb, walks, verb, on the beach, noun. Now for your first word, there. There is a contraction for they are. The contraction of they are. They can take the test when they're ready. They can take the test when they are ready. There. Oh, notice the children taking the test. There is a homophone for there. This there is a relatively distant position or place. He ran all the way from here to there. The part of speech is an adverb. It describes verbs, other adverbs, adjectives, and phrases. And we have there. You'll notice there are three theirs. There, and there are all homophones. They have the same sound, but different spellings and different meanings. This there is something that's belonging to them. Their house belongs to them and no one else. This house belongs to this family. It is their house. It is a pronoun, which replaces a noun or a group of words used as a noun, just like she. Soup. Broth made with meat or vegetables. I slurped my chicken soup from the bowl. And I believe that you can probably guess this is a noun. Person, place, thing, idea, or animal. Soup. So soup does not have a homophone here. The next one, night. The dark hours between sunset and sunrise. That is night. The opposite of night would be day. I sleep at night and awaken in the morning. Night is a noun. It is a person, place, thing, or idea. The homophone for night is knight. This knight, K-N-I-G-H-T, is a medieval soldier. The knight wore a suit of shining armor. Part of speech, it is a noun. It is a person. The next word is right. It's a direction that is opposite of left. You can make a right turn on a red light if the road is clear. The part of speech is adjective. And the homophone for right is write, W-R-I-T-E, to make marks with a pen, pencil, chalk, etc. Write your name at the top of the paper. This boy is writing his name. He's doing something. It is a verb. Weight. How heavy something is. I saw my weight when I stood on the scale. It is a noun. And the homophone for wait is wait, W-A-I-T, to anticipate or expect something to happen. I wait eagerly for my new bike to arrive. It is a verb because he's doing something. Piece. A fraction or part of a whole. And we talk about fractions in math, so a fraction is a part of a whole. This shows a piece of cake. Please save me a piece of cake. It is a noun. And the homophone for peace is peace, P-E-A-C-E. Is a state of tranquility, security, and harmony. The war ended and there was peace. Peace is a noun. It's a thing. And this is the peace sign. You probably all recognize that. Okay. Hour, H-O-U-R, is a unit of time equal to 60 minutes. An hour is 60 minutes. An hour is a noun. And the homophone for hour is our. It's belonging or relating to us. We bought our house in 1998. It is an adjective, our. Wrote, created and communicated with words. Two authors wrote a story together. It is a verb because they are doing it. The children are writing the story. They wrote. Here you will see a table of all your spelling words. At the top we have there, there, there. Night and night, right and right, wait and wait, peace, peace, hour, hour, soup, and wrote. And wrote, boys and girls, is the past tense of write. I will write a story. I wrote a story. Wrote means I already did it. It's in the past. So these homophones could be kind of tough because if you don't know how they're used, then you won't know which one to write when you're taking a spelling test. So it's pretty important that you do a good job of studying and learn the parts of speech. That can help. And then really listen to how they're being used. You have to know the definition. You have to know what they mean in order to know which word to use. I guess your challenge this week could be there are lots of homophones out there. See how many pairs you could find. And good luck with this, and hopefully this helped. And I will see you later. Bye-bye.